So welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you considered using Monday.com free plan, in this video I'll explain exactly, I'll go through actually explain the free plan, explain what are the features and what are the limitations of using the free plan. So let's jump right in this video. So if you're using the free plan, if you join this free plan, this will allow you to experience the pro plan features. And if you decide not to purchase a plan after the trial period, you can continue with the free plan. And to do this, you can simply click on the downgrade. You'll see there right over here. Once the trial period will expire, you'll see the downgrade to free plan. And this procedure will help you get started with the platform and really determine if the free plan fulfill your requirements or fulfill your need. So also I didn't answer the question. You might have the question, what is the duration of your free plan? So the free plan will last 14 days. You can see how many days are left on your account in the admin section in administration, and you'll see there under billing. And to get there, you're gonna have to click on your profile. Actually, I'm gonna show you right now. So here I need to click on my profile. So here I'll click on my profile, and then here I'm gonna need to click on administration. So right here is my profile. And then I'll click on administration here. And then I'm gonna go here to billing. And then here products, and then work management. I'll see here how much time I have left, how many days are left until my trial will expire. Okay, so that's where you need to go. Now, when it comes down to pricing, or not price, or about features, so now talking about the features for the free plan. The free plan has included some basic features that's great for a small project. So if you just want to create a small project on Mondaycom, I think the free plan can be the right option for you. You'll have access, or all the team members can access the main boards. And the main boards, I'm saying like this, so you can click on this plus right here and create a board, and all the members can have access to the main board. Now some like each account is limited to 3 boards. That's something I should mention, is really important. And you can create up to, or initially you can create up to 200 items, but each successfully, if successful referral earns you up to additional 100. And now a simple search feature is often offered to filter tasks and information on each board, and extensive search capabilities through your whole account are only available with the higher tier plans. And also, by the way, if you click on here, you'll be able to see the option to update right here. And here you also see the option to refer, and you'll earn additional more items, be able to add more items. But now important part of this video is what are the limitations. So the free plan is great. It's great to dip your toes in, but there are some things I there are some limitation, there's some things to keep in mind. You can only have 2 people on your account at a time. You can't invite guests or viewers to peek at your stuff, and you're limited to 3 boards total. And on top of that, you can only add up to 200 things across all your boards. I don't know why I said things. 200 items. Yeah. Although you can bump the number up by getting some friends to join, and each dashboard can only connect to 1 board, and some fancy column types like forums and time tracking aren't available or locked away, so you won't have access to any of it, any of like automations or integrations. And some products like Monday Sales CRM and Monday Dev require a paid plan. The free plan does give you 500 megas of storage, though, which ain't bad for starters. So basically, you can't use, or you're missing out on the time tracking formula. I missed one, I think, progress tracking columns and the file columns. And yeah, those things aren't available, and no automations integrations, as I said. So on the free plan, you will not be able to use automations and integrations, something that I think it's so valuable. And if you have a business where you're making some money, it's really worth investing, because automations can really save you tons of time. So you're missing out a lot, in my opinion, if you're just starting out and you don't really have any budget to invest to use a pro plan, then yeah, use the free plan. But if you need automations, it's really worth investing. And also, you can't install like products, because on Monday Sales CRM, they're not available, as I said. So yeah. So in my opinion, because I've tried a pro plan, and I've used also the pro plan in the trial version, so I have 14 days to use the pro plan, which I think it's so awesome. And the free plan, in my opinion, it's a perfect option, perfect fit for a small team, for a very small team that needs basic project management system. And while it has some limitation, you can really use the potential of the free plan to really work on your business. But as I said, if you need automations, if you need integrations, then you won't be able to use this, but at least you can structure your projects in such a way that you know you can get things done. And this is still a plus. It comes down to business projects, getting things done by just writing things. Again, I finished this project, I worked on this, I finished this project. Just this system, which other platforms, they also have this option, like a to-do list. I think using this, it's more advanced. It has the to-do list option to get things done in data. It has also other more feature compared to a to-do list app, in my opinion. And it can really help you. Even just this small option, just by being able to use different columns. As you can see, we still have the status, text, people, and numbers. You can't connect, but you still have some features that are still helpful with the free version. I'll create a free tutorial on the free version I'll create like a project to manage something like a project just by using the free version. So make sure you subscribe for more. And now, thanks for watching. I hope you found this explanation, this overview of the free plan helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.